Remove the mattress. Unbuckle the rolled-up main door, unroll the fabric, and zip up the opening panel. Undo the Velcro straps securing the compartment to the underside of the bed base. Unzip all 4 corners and remove the 4 foam corner pieces. Remove the toe guard foam from all 4 sides of the Safespace compartment. Undo the Velcro straps around the upright bars. Zip up the corners under the upright bars. Loosen the M20 nuts on the top corner brackets. Lift the Safespace compartment off the bed base. Remove the bed foam from the bed base. Remove the bolts, washers, and nuts securing the upright bars to the horizontal bars. Remove 2 of the uprights and gently place the Safespace on the floor, then repeat for the other side. Using a drill and wrench, remove the bolts, washers, and nuts from the top corner brackets. Slide the 8 horizontal bars out of the pull pockets. Turn the Safespace fabric over so the floor is facing up. Then roll the fabric neatly.